Hi guys, here 20 minus 10 is 10 divided by 5 times 2 plus 4. Here 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 plus 4. Here 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4. Here 4 plus 4 is 8 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operation, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. Here, exponent also not there in the problem. Here, next priority is multiplication and division. In this problem, we have subtraction, division, multiplication and addition. Here, division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this division and multiplication before this subtraction and addition. Here, division and multiplications are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right problem. Left to right is this one. 20 minus 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 plus 4. Here we have a subtraction, multiplication and addition. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction and addition. Here 20 minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus this 4. Now we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce to that left to right rule. Left to right is this one. 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16 plus 4. Now 16 plus 4 is 20 is the correct answer.